Half the beauty of skate photography comes from capturing those in-between moments.
I'm catching a nice behind-the-scenes moment here of Dylan looking super concentrated, trying his trick. Thanks to the 90D's ability to shoot at 1/16,000th of a second, I'm able to shoot with my 85mm 1.2 at f1.2 in the middle of the day and not have any issues. Where are you getting on?
The process of landing a skateboarding trick can unveil a skater's full range of emotions, showing their highest highs and their lowest lows in a matter of minutes. With the proper attentiveness, they're all excellent photo opportunities.
So it might look like I'm laying down in bird poop right now, and yes, that's true, but I'm also getting an excellent photo.
Come on, babies, come on.
Because it's a really busy backdrop, I'm using my 70-200 f2.8 lens, and with this, shooting it at nearly 200mm, I'm able to get tons of compression on the backdrop, so I have a beautiful large depth of field.
Now with the 90D's ITR, or Intelligent Tracking and Recognition, I can color track my skateboarder, ensuring that even if there's pigeons that cross in front of the frame, I won't lose focus on the person I want to be shooting.
Since I'm shooting these shots vertically, I'm going to use the Battery Grip BGE14, which has all of the same buttons I normally have while shooting my typical landscape orientation. To get this shot, I'm going to run through when they're mid-trick, grab the shot, and then run out really quickly so they have room to roll away.
With the 90D's eye autofocus and live view, I can be sure I'm capturing tack sharp focus. I have 100% vertical and 88% horizontal coverage on my focus points.
And when I'm shooting through the viewfinder, I can use face detection plus tracking to make sure my shots are always in focus.
Stoked that you love skating so much. I like your tattoo, man. The monster truck's cool. It's doing a wheelie.